this is what I'm eating. First getting on the ship. Some yummy pasta. I can't remember what this was, but I think it's a crab cake. This right here is pasta, and I told them to add chicken on top. That's their herb chicken. This is some Somalian rolls, I think. And then cake and ice cream, lava cake with strawberries. And their spring rolls that are really, really good. And then this is from their lunch thing, that previous thing. Wow, this is moving really fast. And some complimentary wine with our food because it was my mom's birthday. So that was nice. But yeah, this is at Norwegian. So this is like an apple blueberry turnover with some ice cream. And that was for some of the dinners we had for our 10-day cruise with Norwegian. Stay tuned for more cruise stuff.